So to test it, my brothers didn't really want me shocking them. So I'm gonna shock myself. What's up everyone? So today I'm gonna be showing you how I made an electric glove. Let's get into it. Okay, so to show you what it looks like, this is what it is. So this glove isn't really attached to this. There's some wires that go through, and the wires go through the glove, and these are like kind of rings made from Velcro straps. And then I put wire on it and then soldered it into place. Here's the wire on the inside. I just put some paracord right here, or the outside of paracord right here, and duct taped it in place just to give it some more protection. So then there's Velcro straps that hold it onto my arm. And then, so I 3D printed the case. I got the switch there in the back. And then you can see I put a little divot, so it's a little harder to accidentally flip it on. And then I'll show you the inside. The case just pops off. This is what the case looks like. And then yeah, I designed the logo of the channel on it. So there's just this marking. I thought this battery was dead. But so basically it's just a 9-volt went into the switch. Then this is where the piece from the electric fly swatter is. If you want to see like how I got it out of this fly swatter, that's in the electric sword video. Then the wires just run through. They go to these two screws. And so the thought here, well, I'll show you why I put those later. And then yeah, and then it runs to the wire, to the glove. Then so I can replace the battery if I need. And then this just snaps on. So when I'm wearing this, I put on a rubber glove. This is because I have shocked myself. It has gone through the glove on the fingers. And then, so yeah, the wires are in there. I just kind of put the glove on. You can feel where the wires are at. So I just like move my fingers around where the wires are. Just get it on. So it's important when you have this on to have something underneath, like a shirt or a hoodie, because when you twist your arm without it, it will twist, but then the plastic grips on your skin, so when you twist back, it like gets all crooked. But with the jacket, like it stays on exactly how it's supposed to be. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so the thought behind, the thought of the process is I'm like in a fight, right? I have my taser sword. But if you want to see how this was made, check out one of the past videos. Super cool. And yeah, so this is kind of ran by the same system this is. But I'm in a fight and I lose my sword. And I don't want to be defenseless. And I don't want to be defenseless. And I don't want to be defenseless. So I have something like that's actually mounted to myself. And so, let's say I'm fighting, hypothetically. I know I'm not going to like actually use this in real life. It's just all hypothetical. I'm fighting, and then like I go to tase them, sweet, and then they grab my wrist. That's why I put this here. The idea is like if they try to grab my wrist and try to like take control of the arm, they can't because of there's a contact right there. So yeah, so 2 contacts on the wrist and on the hand. So to test it, my brothers didn't really want me shocking them. So I'm gonna shock myself. I'll show you it. So you probably can't see it, but the red light, there's a light that was on the chip thingy, and so it lights up. So I can complete the circuit there, or I can do it there. There's also like a high pitched noise. I haven't shocked myself with it yet because I know I'll be like scared to hold it and like mess with it because I know it hurts. So I've been waiting to test myself. Okay. Okay. It's like, it's probably because it's like super far apart. And these contacts are really close together. So I'm pretty sure that's how like real taser works. The farther they're spread, the more area of like muscle that's affected. So yeah, that hurt like, that like hurt the whole forearm, not just like there. So then here. Yep. So it works, it hurts. And then, yeah, so definitely don't go shocking people with this. But yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. Go like and subscribe. I'll be coming out with some more videos more frequently. So I haven't posted in a little while. Oh, also, like the electric short, it holds a charge. So even after you turn it off, you have to make sure that you like touch it against something because it does hold a charge. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.